Hello there, and welcome. I'm really glad you're here with me today. In this video, we're going to take our first gentle steps into the world of HTML, the language that gives shape to the web. Whether you're just a little curious or ready to build your own web page, you're in the right place. So let's begin this journey. So, what exactly is HTML? Well, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. That sounds complicated at first, but let's break it down together. Hypertext means text that links to other text, like when you click on a word to go to another page. Markup language means a way of adding instructions to text so a computer knows how to show it. Think of HTML as the instructions behind a web page. It doesn't do the fancy designs or interactivity. It simply tells the browser what things are. This is a heading. This is a picture. This is a link. HTML gives websites their structure, like the frame of a house. Let me show you what a basic HTML document looks like. Here's a simple example. Open angle bracket, exclamation mark, doc type HTML, close angle bracket, open angle bracket, HTML, close angle bracket, inside that, open angle bracket, head, close angle bracket, then open angle bracket, title, close angle bracket, my first web page, and then close title. After that, we close the head. Next comes the body. In the body we write open angle bracket, H1, close angle bracket, hello world, and close H1. Then a paragraph. This is my first HTML page. And finally, we close the body and the HTML. It's like a book. The cover is the browser, the title page is the head, and the story itself is the body. Now let's take a look at some of the most common HTML tags. First, headings. We use H1 for the biggest heading and H6 for the smallest. Then we have P for paragraphs. This is where we write blocks of text. To create links, we use the A tag, short for anchor. Like this, anchor tag with href equals example.com. Then the text, click here, and close the anchor. For images, we use IMG. It might look like this. IMG source equals cat.jpg, alt equals a cute cat. Next, we have lists. For bullet points, we use UL for unordered list, and li for each list item. For numbered lists, we use OL instead. These tags are the building blocks of every web page. With just a few of them, we can already start creating something meaningful. Now imagine I'm typing this into my computer. Open angle bracket, doc type HTML, then HTML, head, title about me, and close the head. In the body we write H1, hi, I'm Alex. Paragraph, I love learning how websites work. Then an image with the source me.jpg and alt text, a picture of Alex. Next, we create a list, coding, reading, music. Finally, we add a link, visit my blog. I save that file as about.html. When I open it in my browser, I see a title, a paragraph, an image, a list, and a link. That's the power of HTML, turning simple code into something visual and real. You might be wondering, why learn HTML? Well, it's the foundation of every single website. Without HTML, the web wouldn't exist as we know it. Even though modern websites use other tools like CSS for styling and JavaScript for interactions, HTML is always the core structure underneath it all. Once you understand HTML, You can move on to making your pages look beautiful with CSS and make them do amazing things with JavaScript. Learning HTML is the first real step in becoming a web developer, or simply someone who understands how the internet works. And there we have it, your gentle introduction to HTML. We talked about what HTML is. We looked at how an HTML page is structured. We explored some of the most common tags, and we even wrote a mini page together. I hope this helped you feel more confident and excited to keep learning. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. There's lots more to come. And if you're ready for the next step, our next video is all about CSS, which lets you style your pages and make them look amazing. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, stay curious and keep creating.